We don't get down to Albany as often as we would like, but we make the trip as often as we can. We try and discover new attractions when we're down that way, and on our last trip, our friend Jim from Big Grove B&B suggested that we go and have a look at something called the Sculpture Drive. Jim had an article from a local newspaper and said it was located on Mercer Road, so we fired up the GPS and went out to have a look. I don't quite know what we imagined we would find, but it was nothing like the treasure we discovered. The property is at the Bayonet Head end of Mercer Road, and as you drive towards Lower King Road, you'll see the entrance at the top of the hill on the left-hand side. A walrus, a castle and a large wooden chainsaw are easy to spot as you drive along. Opening times are 8 AM to 6 PM daily, and people are encouraged to drive in, follow the signs and have a look around. There's no official entry fee, but as you drive through you'll see a donation box, and after checking out the amazing work that's been done, I doubt anyone would leave without leaving a donation of some kind. The sculptor is local-born Darrell Radcliffe. No relation to Daniel Radcliffe as far as we know, but Darrell is obviously a creator of some real-life magic from what would otherwise be some fairly unremarkable timber. Darrell once worked with metal, but became interested in sculpting with wood and using a chainsaw. The sculptures are mainly jarrah, a hard, long-lasting wood that, when worked to a high degree and polished, is some of the most beautiful wood you'll ever see. Watch out for sculptures like the pouring bucket, the violin and the grandfather clock. They show just how stunning this wood is when given a very fine finish. You have to pay attention when driving through, because there are all sorts of sculptures scattered around, ranging from very small to very large. Some are quite well hidden, so keep your eyes open and see how many you can find. We rate this as a must-see attraction in Albany, so when you're down that way, take the time to go in and have a look around. We're sure you'll be just as impressed as we were. Sit back now and enjoy the rest of our look through Albany's Sculpture Drive.